Hi, I'm Martin from 24/7 Blinds, and in this video I'm going to show you how to measure your conservatory for blinds. Blinds are a quick and inexpensive way to add shade to a conservatory, but they can also be used to add colour, texture and a design statement too. So once you have your measurements, swapping or personalising your blinds throughout the year can make a massive difference to your room. So let's get started with what we're going to need to measure this conservatory.
To measure for your conservatory blinds, you're going to need a metal tape measure, a cutlery knife, a pencil and a notepad. We'll be referring to all measurements in centimetres.
Before we start taking any measurements, we need to know whether your conservatory is suitable for clip and fit blinds. Let's take a single conservatory panel, slide in a cutlery knife in behind the rubber up to the frame as far as it will go, then mark off with a pencil. And if that distance comes to more than 1 centimetre, then we're good to go. We're going to start by measuring the width. This is the full width of the visible glass between the rubber seal. We're going to take a measurement from the top, from the middle and the bottom. And then we need to do the same with the height. Working from the left, and then the middle, and then the right side. So we take the smallest figures to ensure we get a consistent fit throughout the window. All that's left to do is to head over to our website, choose your blinds from our extensive range of styles and colours, enter in your measurements of your conservatory panels, and that's it, we're good to go.